Hello, let us see how to solve this particular problem. So basically what is given is a digital to analog binary ladder. So digital to analog binary ladder, which is D by A, and then the input is digital, you get analog output. So for this is a 5-bit. So um, the digital will have 5 bits and you should calculate the analog value. What it is saying is the maximum value of output, analog output would be 10 volts, minimum value will be 0 volts. So based on the input that is provided here, the bits provided here, it will range between 0 to 10 volts. So now a particular digital value is given for which we have to calculate the corresponding analog value. So now in these scenarios, we have to approach it this way. What is given is basically a range of 0 to 10 volts where 0005 bits, 000 represents it is 0 volts and 11111 represents 10 volts. So in between there are number of values represented. So now if you see this, if you convert this into a decimal, 1 2 3 4 5, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, that means 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is 16 plus 8 24, day 30 31. So comprising 0, this will be 32 in total. So if you add 0 also, so that means 0 to 10 volts is divided in between by 32 values. That's what it represents basically, because 0 is 0, uh, and 10 is represented by 31. So that means there are 32 values here, and the thing is, so this is represented by 10, and we have one value that is provided, which is 11010, which corresponds to a specific value here. So we have to calculate the analog value. So that is what the requirement is. Now there is one definition called the resolution here. Resolution is nothing but the minimal step of analog value, or the value such that 0 to 10 volts can be achieved using 32 values with such steps. So to calculate that, it is done by total value by total number of steps. This gives 10 by 32 is nothing but 0.3125. Okay, so what this represents is the maximum value is 10 and it is represented by 32 steps. So what is the value of each step, which is nothing but the resolution. So that means this is 0.3125, and then this will be 0.3125 into 1, and then 0.35 into 2, so on. So now let us calculate what is the value here. This is 0.3125, which gives 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, which is nothing but 16 plus 8 plus 2, which is nothing but 26. So that means 26 times of this resolution, which means 26 into 0.3125, which is nothing but 8.125 volt. This means this particular digital value here represented here represents a value of 8.125. So the definitions to remember here are basically the resolution. Resolution is nothing but the smallest increment that is possible and then the counts, number of counts, this is called the number of counts, whatever 26 we calculated here is called the number of counts. So number of counts into the resolution gives the voltage value. So this is how we approach these kind of problems. Thank you.